Installing a Hideaway Plus behind the wall cistern is quick and easy when you know what you're doing, and after watching this video, you will. Let's start with the tools. You'll need a drill, a saw, spirit level, a pencil, and a utility knife. You'll also need to know the measurements of the chosen pan and finished floor level, so bring your trusty tape measure. Now, let's look at what's in the box. You'll find the cistern with the mounting box, a flush pipe, mounting brackets, and some screws. There are two separate stages to installing an in-wall cistern, the rough-in and the fit-out. You need to get the rough-in right to make the fit-out work smoothly, but follow these simple steps and you'll be fine. To start, make sure the wall cavity is prepped. You should have a stud opening of 500mm. Then, check the specifications of the pan and install a noggin at the correct height, with a notch in the centre. Finally, check to make sure the thickness of the finished wall is at least 20mm. If you don't, the flush plate won't be able to clip on during fit-off. Let's look at our cistern. Cut down the flush pipe to the correct length to suit the specification of the chosen pan. Deburr the cut end, lubricate and connect the flush pipe to the bottom of the cistern. Slide the mounting box on the front of the cistern by pushing down and listen for a click. When you hear a click, you know that it's secure. Now, let's get this cistern in the wall. Make a mark on the studs 1000mm above the finished floor level. This will be the height to the centre of the flush buttons. Align the cistern with the mark on the studs. Mark the location for the top mounting brackets and attach them to the studs with screws. Now, fit the cistern to the brackets with the fixing supplied and ensure the cistern is level. Do the same thing for the bottom brackets. You can also secure the cistern directly to a timber frame. Just ensure it's fixed securely and the flush pipe is properly supported. Next, take the faceplate off the mounting box. Ensure a mini stop is installed securely and turned off. Put the faceplate back on the mounting box, it will just clip into place. And place the dust cap over the flush pipe before you plaster, waterproof and tile. The two of these will protect the cistern from any debris. Make sure the remaining parts required for fit-off stage are stored safely. You're now ready to connect the water supply. The wall linings and tilings can now be installed. The fit-out. Cut down the flush pipe to the required length. Push it into place and install the pan. All that remains is to install the flush buttons. Pop the faceplate off and using a utility knife, trim and bend back the edges of the mounting box so it's flush with the finished wall surface. The flexible hose can be disconnected from the inlet valve to flush the water line and remove any debris. Once clear, refit the hose, turn on the water supply and check the water level. Next, insert the full flush and half flush canisters into their correct sockets and turn them until they click into place. Then, insert the blue hose into the blue canister and the white hose into the white one. Place the button frame onto the mounting box in the wall and use the cistern spaces provided to secure it. Push in the rods to hold the button frame on and rotate these to lock in place. You may need to adjust the cistern spaces to suit the depth of the wall lining. If necessary, shorten these by cutting them to the needed length. Finally, clip the button on, leading from the bottom of the frame. Once the flush button is secure, test the buttons to ensure the toilet is working, and you're done. Simple and seamless.